My name is Philippe Peru. I'm the owner of SES America, and we manufacture highway signs, the signs that display traffic information, traffic data. We had people visiting the website, but we couldn't nurture them. So we had to put in place some tools to do that, and Xzito helped us doing that.
It was hard for us to track who was visiting our website and what pages they were visiting so that we could properly, follow up with those leads. Now we're able to get a lot more of that information and focus our follow-ups. I think we're in a little bit of a unique segment. We do a lot of government contract work. You guys took the time to really find out what we needed and how you could help us specifically. Today, it's really important to have a strong digital presence, and there's a lot that goes into that. From having website and search rankings to being able to track who's coming, to be able to improve your SEO, have a CRM system and have that integrated with all of these other efforts. It takes someone who knows how to bring all of those different facets together to give you a strong online presence and to be able to put all that data in one place where you can use it. And that's what Xzito really helped us with.
We learned a lot about marketing techniques, especially with newer technology. So Xzito was very good in teaching us, in explaining the benefits, how it works. They really help us understanding the newer concept in marketing.
I also think we had limited content on the website, technical information, and it's been a lot more helpful to have that information now there for our customers so they can find it in one easy spot on our site.
Going to Xzito, we had a real process, and we understood how important it was to prepare, to get ready, to have the right material. That was something that was very, very interesting to work with. They really help us globally to reach more audience and more targets. I also learned through them how to combine the entire marketing campaign, trying to put everything together. As a CEO, I wanted to understand that my investment has a good return. So working with Xzito on a monthly basis and having a review of the performance of the team and measuring the impact of our campaign. They are very knowledgeable. They were very good to help and explain each and every step and the benefits of each and every step. We had a very good relationship with them throughout the project. They're very available, they always return the phone call, they're always here to help you. And I work with other companies, and Xzito was above all of them.